Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a DoorDash tablet. First, ensure both your DoorDash tablet and the compatible printer are powered on and have sufficient battery or are plugged into a power source. It is crucial that your printer is an approved model, as this is the only way to guarantee proper functionality. Position the printer near your tablet, ideally within a range of 10 feet, to establish a stable connection. To connect your printer, open the DoorDash Merchant app on your tablet. From the main screen, locate and tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Within the settings, find the printer or hardware section. The app will then scan for available, compatible printers. Select your specific printer from the displayed list and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the pairing. Finally, perform a test print to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter issues, first confirm both your tablet and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network if it's a network printer. A simple restart of both devices can often resolve minor connection problems. Also, check the DoorDash Merchant app for any available software updates, as these often include bug fixes. Lastly, ensure your printer has enough paper and, if applicable, ink, or is loaded with the correct thermal paper type. For consistent performance, always keep your DoorDash tablet's operating system and the printer's firmware updated. Regular cleaning of the printer's printhead and paper path will prevent common issues like paper jams and faded prints. Always have a supply of extra paper and thermal rolls stored in a dry, cool environment. Finally, make it a habit to periodically check the printer's connection status within the DoorDash app to ensure seamless order processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.